So hello students. So we have already started innings 9.5. So today I will start question number 4. Now look here. Amount. So in question number 1 and 2 we have calculated amount and that formula is yearly. Amount formula for yearly will be A equal to P bracket 1 plus R by 100 bracket close power n. N means time. R means rate of interest and P means principal. But now question is given. Here rate of interest is given half yearly. So half yearly, in case of half yearly, this formula will little bit change. Now look here. In 1 year there is 6 months. 6 month plus 6 month equal to 1 year. So if you look at there is 6 months. In case of half yearly, 2 will come because why? In 1 year there is 6 months. That's why formula will be changed to A equal to P 1 plus here rate of interest will divided by 2 by 100 again 2 multiply with power, that means n. Time will increase by 2 times and rate of interest will decrease by 2 times. Why this 2 coming? Because in 1 year there is 2 half yearly. That's why this 2 coming. And this formula you will get here. Rate compounded annually or half yearly. Here it is given. So you can read this paragraph for better understanding. Now I will do question number 4 here. In principal is given 25,000, rate of interest 12% and n is 1 year. So use the, now here this rate of interest is given half yearly, compounded half yearly. So we have to use half yearly formula. So this is your half yearly formula. Simply here you substitute the value 25,000 bracket 1 plus 100 2 n equal to time is given 1 year. So 2 multiply 1 and r is given 12 and d again divide by 2. Now 25,000 now look here, if you divide 12 with 2 you will get 6. So 1 plus 6 by 100 and 2 into 1 it will become 2. Look here, just you divide 12 with 2 you will get 6 and power will become 2. So 25,000. Now look here, 100 into 100. 100 into 100, 100 plus 6, 106. And square is given, that means we have to write 2 times. 100 multiply 100. 100 1 is 100 plus 6, 106. Again we have to write 2 times. So 106 multiply 106. Now you can cancel 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. And one more 0 you can cancel. 25 multiply 106 multiply 106 by 10. So here you will get 280900 by 10. Now you can cancel 0, 0. Here you cancel 0, 0. So answer will be 28090. So after cancelling 0, 0, answer will be 28090. This is your answer. Now I will do question number 6. Now find the compound with the principal. So here principal is given how much? 50,000, rate of interest 10%. So in question number 6 these are given. Principal rate 10%, again compounded half yearly, and T is given 2 year, 2 and half year. That means 2 and half we can write as a 2 year and 6 months. So in the formula always we have to use year. So now I will show you. Here we cannot calculate directly for 2 year and 6 months. So first I will calculate amount for 2 year and simple interest for 6 months, step by step. So for now first you calculate amount for 2 years. So amount for 2 years. So amount for amount formula amount P 1 plus R by 100 power n. So here principal is 50,000. Rate of interest is 10. No. And year will be 2 years. So n will become 2. Now take LCM 100 into 100. 100 plus 10, 110. 50,000. So 100 square means you have to write 2 times. 100 into 100, 110 to 110 and 110. See, here we are writing 2 times because of this square. Now you can cancel 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 110, 110 and 5 multiply. So if you multiply, you will get 60,500. Now simple interest, because now we have already crossed 2 years, so only 6 months left. So after 2 years our principal become, so first I will write formula. Now after 2 years our principal will become 60,500. Now here after writing this line, simply here you substitute the value. Our principal will now increase to 60,500. Our rate of interest 10%. Time is 6 months. So 6 months we can write in years by 6 divided by 12. So it will be 1 by 2 years. So 1 by 2. This 6 months I have converted into years. So 6 divided by 12. In 1 year there is 12 months. So it will become half. So here I have substituted. Now you cancel 0, 0. So again 2 5 are 10. 2 5 are 10. First you cancel 0, 0 and divide 10 with 2. So 5 times. So 605 multiply 5. How much? 605 multiply. Oh, sorry, 5. 30. 25 amount. So amount at first after 2 years, how much he have to pay? 60,500, and for 6 months he have to pay 3,025 rupees. So 6,3,525 rupees. This is your answer. 63,525. So in question number 8, rupees 2,000 is given to 2 persons, Sudhir and Prasan, at different rate of interest same, but their amount is rate of compound. Look here. So in case of Sudhir, the rate of interest is yearly, and for Prasan case rate of interest will be half yearly. So simply use yearly formula. This is the amount for yearly formula. Simply here you substitute the value. This. So 2,000 rupees, 1 plus 10 by 100, power will be n. Power n become 1. So if you calculate this one, you will get 2,200 rupees. Now for Prasan case, this is the Sudhir case. After 1 year, he have to pay 2,200 rupees. Now the Prasan case. Rate principal is same, 2,000. Rate of interest 10%. But here, this rate of interest is compounded half yearly. And time is again given. I will write n as a 1 year. So here I will use half yearly formula. So amount will be P 1 plus 100 R by 2 multiply N. Now simply here you substitute the values. Amount will be, principal is 2000, rate of interest is 10% by 2, again 2, time for is 1 year. So here I am writing 2 multiply 1 because time is 1 year, so 2 multiply 1. 1 plus 10 divided by 2, it will become 5. If you take LCM, 2000. Square is there, so 100, 105, 105. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 2 multiply 105 multiply 105 by 10. So if you solve this one, you will get 2205 to 2205. What we have to calculate? Interest is difference in interest between Sudhir and Prashant. Difference of interest. Prashant will get after 1 year 2205 rupees and Sudhir will got only 2200, so 5 rupees. So this is your answer. Only 5 rupees difference. Now students, question number 10 and question number 8 are same, so I will skip question number 10. Please try to solve question number 10. I have already uploaded in Google Classroom. Now look here. Now in question number 12, Ramu purchased a boat for 16,000 rupees if the cost of the boat is depreciating. Now look at this word, depreciating. Depreciating means decreasing. So in case of decreasing, we have to use in amount minus sign will come. But in case of bank, if you take loan from the bank, your rate of interest will increase. In case of bank, this sign will be plus because rate of interest will increase. But here the word depreciating is given. That means it is decreasing. So minus will come. Or you can see this example for better understanding, or you can read this last paragraph, application of compound interest formula here. Decrease. If the value of a vehicle or a machine decreases, depreciated at a rate R% per annum, then value V after n year is given by V new, V old 1 minus R by 100 n. So I will write here value, new value, V old. V old means old value, 1 minus R by 100, power is n. Now simply here you substitute the value. So here you can write V old. V old means old price of the boat, 16,000. Now 16,000, 1 minus rate of interest 5 by 100, power 2, 16,000, 100. See, 100 into 1, 100, 100 into 100, 100 minus 5, 95. Square is there. That means this quantity we have to write 2 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 16 multiply 95 multiply 95 by 10. 6 5 is 30. 30 5 is 150. So if you solve this one, you will get 14,414. So this is your answer.